I'm Audrey and I'm French and I'm currently based in Rotterdam. I've been invited here to participate to the workshop of in residence to research about the theme of chromatic alphabet.
My name is Jorge Penadés. I'm a Spanish designer based in Madrid, but I was born in Malaga, in the very south of Spain. So we are asking participants to establish some sort of link between this very special place, which is Centro Pecci, and the general topic, which is chromatic alphabet.
But what I understood quite fast is that the participants would make themselves the program they wish to investigate, and how much the process was more important than the outcome of the workshop.
Then the second day we asked, between them they can contaminate each other, they can pollute each other. I think it's where the conversation becomes more rich, and therefore the result, of course, is going to be richer.
And to maybe create this context and suddenly shake it.
Andrea is very interested in the research in art, music, and of course he's a designer. And you know so well about, the Eastern and the Middle Eastern culture as well. I think that all these different cultural languages would be very interesting for giving us a hint about the topic of this workshop.
I am Anya. I come from Macedonia. And I'm based in Berlin.
My name is Sarah. I am Canadian and I recently...
And I come
Saura
from
Murillo. I'm from Mexico City, but right now I'm based in London.
The participants are really coming from different backgrounds and from different countries, so it's pretty diverse. And I think they all had this idea about the theme, and at the end it's becoming more this conversation.
Like, we're focusing more about how color is triggering sensory experience.
Really interested in the emotional part of color.
We are basically exploring chromatic alphabets through the linguistic. What does chromatic mean and what does alphabet mean?
When I received the invitation from Barbara and Marco, I was extremely happy because this is kind of initiative that I've been following for the past maybe 10, 12 years since I wasn't a student.
It's not just the tutoring towards a participant, but more an ongoing conversation, and to hear so many point of view and perspectives is really making me think in so many different directions.
In residence, it not just help young designers and emerging designers to grow, but also they're helping the city of Torino becoming a cultural hub and a city recognized in Europe for the promotion of culture.